All right, so example number 6 sort of piggybacks off of the last example with 5. So at this point, maybe you should try to practice this by yourself in the note sheet that I gave you guys. It's definitely helpful so that when it comes time for the homework assignment, you're a little bit more clear as to what to do because you've practiced one on your own. But in order to go over this one, so if we look at the example, we've got 2 diameters here. F is the center of the circle. So if we highlight BE as one, and we highlight CA as the other diameter, those are the 2 big ones that we have to work with. Both of those, one at a time, separates the circle in half. And now what we're going to do is, same examples that example 5 was, we're just going to now fill the whole circle in before we actually answer anything that's asked of us. So if this is 63, going back way back in a few chapters, we have vertical angles, 63. If the angles are 63, we know the arcs are 63. This little box right here means 90 degrees. Well, if that's 90 degrees, then we know the arc is 90 degrees. In terms of what's left, this one right here, if we focus on BE being a diameter, we know that that's 180. So that arc is then equal to 180 minus 63. And if we take 180 minus 63, that gets us 117. So the arc is 17, which means the angle is 117. And then in order to get that arc, we're focusing on BE right here. And we do 180 minus 63 minus 90 because there's 2 angles in that location, and that gets us 27. So that means the arc is 27 as well as the small little angle right there. And then given all that information, now you're able to actually find what's being asked. So if it says arc AED, well, we're going from A to E to D. That's made up of 63 and 90, which is 153. If I asked you to classify it, you would classify that as a minor arc. For arc CE, right here, you have a little flexibility because I don't tell you which direction to go in, but let's say we're going in this direction right here. CE is made up of 27 and 90, which gets you 117. Again, that would give you a minor arc as well. And then for the third one, arc ABD, you're going from A to B all the way to D, and that's made up of 3 arcs. So 117, 63, and 27. And when you put the 3 of them together, you get 207 degrees. And in that case, that's bigger than 180, so that would be classified as a major arc.